Welcome! Today, we're going to learn how to multiply a monomial by another monomial using exponent rules. It's a fundamental concept in algebra that's easier than it sounds. First, let's quickly review what a monomial is. A monomial is just a single algebraic term. It can be a simple number, a variable like x or y, or a product of numbers and variables, such as 5x or 2y squared. Let's break down a monomial. Take the term 3x squared. The number in front, 3, is called the coefficient, the letter x is the variable, and the small number at the top, 2, is the exponent. When multiplying two monomials, the first step is to multiply their coefficients. For example, if we are multiplying 4x squared by 3x cubed, we first multiply the coefficients 4 and 3, which gives us 12. The second step involves the exponents. For the same variables, you add their exponents together. In our example, we have x squared and x cubed, so we add the exponents 2 and 3, which gives us a new exponent of 5. Now, let's combine those two steps. We multiplied the coefficients to get 12, and we added the exponents to get x to the power of 5. So, 4x squared times 3x cubed equals 12x to the 5th power. Let's try another example. What if we have -2 cubed times 5 to the 4th? First, multiply the coefficients. -2 times 5 is -10. Then, add the exponents of the variable a. 3 plus 4 is 7. The result is -10 to the 7th power. What about monomials with more than one variable? Let's take 3x squared y cubed times 4xy to the 5th. We handle each part separately. Multiply the coefficients 3 and 4 to get 12. For the x variables, add the exponents 2 and 1 to get x cubed. For the y variables, add the exponents 3 and 5 to get y to the 8th. The final answer is 12x cubed y to the 8th. A common point of confusion is when a variable appears to have no exponent. Remember that any variable by itself, like x, actually has an exponent of 1. This is sometimes called the invisible one. So, to summarize, when you multiply monomials, there are just two simple steps. First, multiply the coefficients. Second, for any variables that are the same, add their exponents. Now it's your turn to practice. What is the result of 5x cubed y squared multiplied by 2xy to the 4th? Pause and try to solve it. Let's see how you did. We multiply the coefficients 5 and 2 to get 10. For the x's, we add the exponents 3 and 1 to get 4. For the y's, we add the exponents 2 and 4 to get 6. The correct answer is 10x to the 4th y to the 6th. Great job!
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.